Hey, what's up guys, Jeff DD here. Thanks for the 16 subscribers. And I just got a comment told me I'm doing more burps. So I'll do more burps. Okay, I cannot do a burp like that. I'm on the lab rats. I have a lot of wasps in my window.